What up, gang? Rob Level here. In this video, I'm going to give you an idea that I had, that I tested, that really worked well, and I want to share this with you. If there's anybody out there who right now, you're posting stuff and nobody's seeing any of your posts because the algorithm is just eating your stuff alive and you weren't posting enough to keep it going, I have a quick marketing idea for you that really works to help you gain organic fans, and that is going to make you feel a lot better about just your social media presence in general. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, okay?
Yeah.
So what I did, and I wanted to test it, especially when, with Reels and these ideas and strategies that I had for Reels, was I have a bunch of Instagram pages, okay?
Yes,
and I was like, what would happen if I go ahead and I create a new one, right? Because it'll be fresh in the algorithm, it'll be new to Instagram, it can't discipline me for lack of posting, it can't discipline me for anything, right? For the length of the profile, for not engaging, for not having engagement. So I was like, you know what, the thing that seems like the good idea would be, what if I made a brand new profile? What if I started fresh? Now take into account I have over 300,000 followers and I'm verified, but still building side profiles and posting on those is extremely helpful when it's a fresh profile. And I don't even have to tell my current followers that it exists, right? You can, and then it kind of kickstart it, but you don't have to. Because what happens is when you post on Reels, Reels will organically share your videos to people in the algorithm. And if you keep posting Reels, it'll keep sharing and that will grow. But either way, you're getting this fresh burst in the algorithm to gain fans you may not have gained before. And you can pretty much make a new Instagram, trigger that, do that, and then if that one starts to die out because it's not getting enough engagement or the content that you are making just doesn't seem to be right, make another profile, okay? And this really does work. Now, the one thing that you actually need before you actually attempt to do this is you need to consider what content you're gonna be posting, because it's gonna reward you in the algorithm if you're constantly posting content.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying you have to make a ton of crazy content, but you need a couple pieces of content, at least like 3 pieces a week that you can put into Reels that'll kick that to people organically when they're scrolling so that you can start getting your music heard. So make content with your music in it. Depends on your brand. I can't give you specifics on that because it depends. It could be you in studio recording like this. It could be your song. But remember this, people tend to prefer more organic videos because it's the way that we consume content now, is person front facing camera, right? So you can create this content and test it and try it. I have tested it. I tested it a bunch of times and it consistently works.
He ain't lying.
And I'm talking about you will gain thousands and thousands of people. I personally did this and I have videos that have over 12.4 million views on them from doing this on a side profile.
Damn,
I have other
son.
ones that have hit 1 million views, 2 million views, 3 million views. But I'm not gonna tell you what content I was making,
Come on now, dog.
because that's the type of stuff that I put in my masterclasses.
Come on, man.
Sorry, but people pay for that stuff and I don't want to like detract from stuff that they've already paid for, but that's the stuff that's inside of my marketing masterclass bundles. Anyway, you can do this as long as you know how to create great content and you can just keep on going with this, keep pushing. Actually, I had a guy who's inside of the music industry shortcut. We have live calls where people get on with me for like 2 hours and ask me any questions that they want. I shared this strategy with him and he started using it, and guess what? He started gaining tons and tons of fans from it. He told me the strategy that I taught everybody like the last 3 weeks, he's got over 500,000 streams.
Oh no! Since then it said almost 2 million.
I meant Reels views. I was gonna say, but you.
Okay. I was about to be like, I wish, man. No, yeah, but yeah, almost 2
million
that shit
views.
just like overnight, like just popped off. I woke up this morning and it was at 1.4 million on one of them. Other one jumped to like 400,000. So I'm like, God damn, man. People are going to YouTube and say, hear from Reels or here before this blows up like that. And I'm just like, God damn.
Anyway, yeah. So I wasn't gonna say, but I'm gonna put these in the video. He sent me the screenshots as proof because I damn near almost didn't believe him when he said that he used it. When he used this, he only had like 4,000 followers. Just throwing that out there. And I'm seeing even in these screenshots, he's getting videos that have 1,459,208 Reels views. Massive amount of, other ones 304,000, 8,000 likes, 200. I'll put these on the screen, but this is the type of stuff that I show people how to do if you're in the music industry shortcut and when you get my music marketing bundles. I have so many different music marketing masterclasses. Anyway, I'm just sharing this with you, but this is a big part of this strategy, is starting that fresh profile and then working on that. And you can post the same content that you posting on there on your profile as well, right? This stuff works and the proof is right there, okay? It's right there in front of you. I show people this, they use it, right? And the thing is this, I'm just gonna throw this out there. I have a lot of people getting these calls. He was the only one that went, yo, that's a genius idea. Immediately stopped, went and did what I told him to do. By the way, this was only 11 days later.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
Right, so he came back 11 days later and was like, this is working so well. And then 3 weeks later, he came back and his numbers, it was just ridiculous. It works and it works fast. But I say that because a lot of people will be like, yeah, I wanna get big, but they don't do this stuff, even when it's something genius like this. But the people who go and do it, they grow, okay? You can't just say that you're watching these videos and that's enough. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge when executed is powerful. Okay? Understand that. It's useless to have the knowledge if you're not utilizing it. So many people do that. I did it for a long time too, I understand. Okay? But you're not going to grow unless you're doing this kind of stuff. So anyway, I'll give you free cheat sheets for music marketing stuff and the fundamentals, 100% free. I'll give you this stuff below. And after you get that, it's going to kick you to a page which is going to show you a page that I paid a ton of money to make it load in 2 seconds for you so that it doesn't waste any of your valuable time. And it's going to show you my music marketing bundles. Okay? Just check those out to see what I can do for you. Okay? I hope this strategy is something that you at least go attempt on your own with me or without me. Just even without me, this strategy is a phenomenal strategy. But I recommend that you use it now before something changes, because you know how often Instagram's changing. But realistically, because I tested this a couple years ago, tested it again, this will consistently work because it wants a new user to have a good experience on the platform and keep creating so that they keep coming back so they can run ads to the person. So like that's kind of how it works. A fresh profile is gonna get that push, and that's why you go create it. Once you understand the algorithms, you can use them to your advantage. Okay, think about it. Get your free cheat sheets. Go check out my music marketing masterclasses. The link to get to all this stuff is going to be in the description as well as in the top comment. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. I know if you made this far in the video, you just got probably a lot smarter. All right, keep hustling, gang. Click those links, and I'll see you at the top.
Like abortion, I ain't kidding. Just get in. Just get in. Right, that ain't hard. Just get in. That ain't hard. That ain't hard. Just get in. Right, that ain't hard. That ain't hard. Just get in. On the road to nowhere.